Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video is another exciting video because we get to open this surprise box from Javy Coffee. I will link the video up here, I believe it's up here, of my review on the caramel concentrate that Javy has. And now I have this amazing box and I can't wait to unbox it for you guys and see all the goodies. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Leslie Nicole. I do weekly videos for you guys. And if you really want to know what's in this box, then please like and subscribe and hit that bell to be notified. Yeah, let's get into it. So here is the amazing box. I'm going to open it with you guys right now. I honestly don't even know what's in it. I haven't opened it at all. Ooh, this is fun. Oh my goodness. First of all, look at this box. This is so gorgeous. So it says iced coffee, whipped cream. Oh my God, Javy VIP collab. Ooh, oh my gosh. So this is the box and it says your life is now on your terms. Say goodbye to long drive-through lines, expensive price tags, coffee makers, espresso machines, plastic waste from K-cups and much more. Say hello to 5-second coffees any way you like. It's delicious, cold brews, tasty hot coffee, sustainability, and more possibilities than you could ever imagine. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Do we see this? How gorgeous is this travel mug? Oh my gosh, so gorge. Love it. Can't wait to have my coffee in here. I'm gonna put this right here. Like, oh yes, I got more of the concentrate, which you guys know how much I love it. And I feel like, what flavor is this one? How do I get you out? This one is in the, I feel like this is original. This has got to be original. Yeah, this is the original coffee concentrate, which beyond amazing. Can't wait to have that now. Again, I will link my video down below in the description bar, as well as previously stated, was on the top corner. Oh my gosh, for my iced coffees. So I got this amazing cup for my iced coffees. It says Javy, drop it like it's hot/cold. I'm guessing that this cup is able to hold hot and cold beverages, which is amazing. This is so cute. I can't wait to take this everywhere with me. And then last but not least, I got this amazing little, not little, but this bag Javy Coffee, which is so amazingly cute. And I can't wait to take this to me everywhere for like markets or grocery shopping. This is beyond cute. I'm so excited. Thank you so much to Javy for this amazing box, bunch of goodies. I love all their stuff. You guys, when I tell you that this concentrate is beyond amazing, it is beyond amazing. Like, it tastes so good. It is perfect. Like, spring is coming, and what better way than to have this in your cup? And again, I will leave where you can find this, everything linked down below, where you can find them, website, everything, and all the flavors. They have so many flavors. And first of all, the caramel one, I devoured that. That was gone. But this one, I'm so excited. I got a refill, which is amazing. Yeah, again, thank you so much to Javy for this amazing box. I'm so excited that I finally get to open it and enjoy all the contents in it. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of it. So when I finished recording this video, I was like, I really want to share some recipes. And so I created 3 amazing recipes using the Javy concentrate. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys try them out. So please enjoy. Please let me know down below. And for putting this part in, I really, really wanted to share with you guys. And I love you guys. Bye. Today I am sharing 3 amazing recipes using the amazing coffee concentrate with Javy. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and demonstration. Had a lot of fun creating this video and I just can't wait to devour these, share them with family. summertime is coming. So again, thank you so much, and we'll see you guys later. Bye. Yeah, don't forget to give this thumbs up this video. If you've tried Javy, please let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell on when I upload next. That would be amazing. And again, thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.